Welcome, please sit. We are racing, right? So let's leave the code and we'll take it downstairs.
Your Excellency, sir, we are honored with the of course.
There's been lots of development around Nigeria in terms of fibre and how we take fibre and connect the people. The Minister Basson has got his 92,000 kilometre initiative, which I'm seeing him on Wednesday for, which will be the complete backbone for this of how we're going to link all the states together around Nigeria to a central hub in Lagos and Kwaibu, where the submarine came.
Today has been a fairly busy day. We've been at school, so we'll be here for a while. We'll try not to keep you here much longer than necessary. I want to say how happy I am that we've got to this point where we'll be signing a memorandum of understanding. We were clear from the one that there was no way to succeed with all the things we had in mind to do if we didn't have fiber optic interconnectivity. And we were talking about the schools, the different nooks and crannies of Abia State, the health, care sector, the entrepreneurship, the market, the industry, the SMEs, just the limits. The homes, people's homes and offices. So I'm very happy that we're here at this point, and I want to thank you for going through a sometimes very difficult and rigorous process to get here. We intentionally made that way so that we can be sure that anybody that gets to this point is serious, because everybody comes, so we have one thing or the other to deliver. By the time you agree that it's fine, they are not serious. So.
Thank you.
No, sir, just give me a space. Let me condense it. Okay. Are you going to touch it here? Okay.
And Abia, listen, oh God, Abia in the next 1 year, you will not see, you will not recognize the name. God has sent our governor to massively transform this state. You can see how investors are flowing. The funny thing is that while so many investors are leaving Nigeria, he is attracting investors. One of the things that, if you look at the news recently, you find out that a lot of investors are leaving Nigeria. But it was easy to convince these people to come because they have already read about him, seen what the impact he has made in the state. So they were excited to come into Abia State. So I want to thank His Excellency for attracting foreign investors to the state. And may God sustain him and continue to give him wisdom. Because this particular project is attracting Amazon, Facebook, Google. They're all coming into Abia State. And when we build this hub, from this hub, you can send this to other states. From here. Yes. From here, Abia now will be one connecting, to other states. It's amazing. I'm so excited at this. So thank you very much, His Excellency.